Kapor Kapatisi TV. Kwah University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Hadirin bu MLA kamaliam ubak Ronnie willing do. La no ikaseng Kongres, balet bin penyesok syakaseng NPP, Kynnoh ilam kaseng Kongres, kilo ong berkinyat bet syakmat, ban mudui da kemukut duma persya ubak Ronnie, bat kilangut ki MLA kebepet na kaseng Kongres, katau Dr. Celestine Ling do ubak Gabriel Walang berubak Charles Marngar. General Secretary jong kaseng Kongres ubak Manuel Batwar, ulong ba kaseng Kongres kladep Ithuh ikajunglong jong ba Ronnie Naduh ke MDC election namar bu Kwah banyelehi dalade berhadian ke Kongres ke ai tiket cuba Banphira bersayo mai ba Ronnie Ïarap AA yau hakatik election bat Naduh ketika por ke Kongres ke Ithuh bun ne Islam haka parti. Working President Jong Gaseng Kongres ke Debra Marak, ke Kynnoh bekajing pet seng Jong ki MLA ke Kongres ke namar ba ke NPP ke pendan kam da ke bor Jong ke pisah.
In his resignation, he mentioned this decision has been taken after the whole consultation with the people of my constituency and my grassroots leaders. It reflects the collective desire of my constituent and local leadership who have expressed the need for a new political decision that better represents their aspiration. This is the letter we got from Ronnie, and also he was the spokesperson of Congress party. Today nobody to say here, we are not a spokesperson of the party, but today I represent here on behalf of Congress party as a working president. Here, Ba Manuel, he is our general secretary, media in church, and here all Congress leaders, Mahila president. Yes, the Congress party today, we acknowledges the resignation of our Congress MLA Ba Ronnie Lindo, and we appreciate his services he has done during his tenure. I read out his resignation letter, the content, why he resigned. He said in his resignation letter that he is resigning from the Congress party because he was the party, his grassroots workers, party workers, they asked him to resign, and it is the desire of the Congress worker in his constituency. Therefore, he resigned as a Congress member and primary membership of Congress, I think he mentioned that way. Today, whatever may be the case, he has taken his decision along with his party workers. We have accepted, appreciate, and we have nothing to say against him. He worked for the party. He was an experienced man, worked for the Congress party for a long time. But the reason why he has gone, shifted to NPP, it is known to him better. You can ask him. We don't know the reason, but only the letter he has given to us. From there only we have got it today. The party, Congress party, we remain committed to its core values, and we will continue to work tirelessly for the welfare of our constituent people and for the people of Meghalaya. We are not surprised by his resignation. We understood right from the beginning this negotiation happening for a long time. Today, official letter, we got it. However, we are very much confident, grant our party. We will work with our Congress workers in the grassroots And if any challenges arising out of his resignation here today for the Congress party, it is not going to hamper anything to the Congress party. Congress party, we are ready to restructure, we are ready to revamp the party even without single MLA. Last MP election, there was no MLA MDC in Garo Hills. We work hard, so at least in Garo Hills, we could retain these 2 Tura parliamentary seats. Who make the leaders? We the people from the grassroots. Leader doesn't make themselves. Leader will come out from the grassroots. Grassroots people will vote for the leaders. That's how we become our leaders. So we will build in the grassroots level. Now we are restructuring entire Congress workers organization in the grassroots level.
Do you think that Congress MLAs, Congress members are the soft targets of NPP? Is it because of leadership issue, your leadership crisis in the party?
No, you are wrong. No leadership crisis. We have Congress president who is always with us, who is working very hard. Yes, when you say soft target, maybe yes, I will agree to some extent, because with muscle power, money power, NPP, they are expert in poaching our 4 MLAs, and they are successful in this game.
So why you not prevent that?
See, they are not small kids. They are grown up. They are matured. They know how to take decision, and we cannot bind them in democracy. They know how to take decision. So we cannot answer to that question. You can answer by Ronnie why he has gone there, shifted to NPP. He has got a better answer. Those 3 who has gone earlier, they have a better answer. We don't have a answer so much to explain you here.
Well, there are some thinking that the Congress has closed the shop in Meghalaya. Do you think so after this exit of MLAs?
The Congress will never close shop in Meghalaya. That's
Exactly.
for sure. I can
That's
tell you
for
that
sure.
for sure.
Who said that? It's you who are questioning us, or the people of Garo Hills? We thought that way only in Garo Hills. When we started campaigning, fighting for MP election, we thought we have money like no MP, no MLA. We have nothing. Out of nothing, we got 1 MP. That means in Garo Hills, we closed the shop. No, it is not like that in election. It is not like that in politics. It is the people. In democracy, it is the power of the people. People will decide in election. So we never close our shop. Come, this is our shop only, this Congress Bhavan. Every day it is open. You can come and see what is happening in this shop.
As part of revamping the party,
Yes.
are you inviting many ex-leaders to your party to join?
Yes,
I think
many joining from Garo Hills. Many ex-MDCs, MLAs, Congress leaders, they are joining to the Congress party.
What about Kasif?
See, that's the whole point. I think we've been clear with that earlier also. We've given a press release on this, saying that we invite just about any leader who's willing to be a part and parcel with our ethos, with our way of thinking. We're not just inviting people for the simple sake of becoming an opportunist. So if somebody has left us on the principles of not aligning with the thought process that we had for that particular point of time, and left us on very basic principle grounds, definitely. But if somebody has left us because of monetary gain here and there, then why would we even want them?
Want them back.
What about Nugul Sangman group?
Because of my group, we don't want to comment, we don't know anything. Maybe he is busy in his own party and party activities.
That would be on his call.
Yes.
Any approach made to him?
No.
No.
From party side, we have not done it. Our in church, he came from Delhi and he tried to convince him. He tried to ask what is the reason. That's it. What was the discussion between these two, we don't know. After that, we thought it is all right. But today only we got his official letter in the office. That's it.
Honestly, this is our perspective.
Mm.
Okay. See, we have been pursuing a case against the 3 MLAs who had resigned earlier. Now, it just so arises that the main petitioner is Ronnie in that case. So, by doing that, it becomes infructuous in nature. In a sense, it's null and void. So, we have this firm belief that this transactional politics that NPP is playing, whereby they will buy anybody out to ensure that the law of the land does not prevail anymore. And I think that has played precedence over everything else. And I think, and there's a firm belief among some of us here that maybe it is a trick in which they will at least make the entire not judicial system a little weaker also. So they're ensuring that they're able to trump it. So now by Ronnie joining the NPP, we have to start the case all over again. Because we were actually, I don't know the procedures that has been followed by the court, we were actually having very good grounds to fight against the 3 MLAs who have left us unconstitutionally. So we believe that this has made things a little bit more difficult for us, but then not necessarily that we will not pursue it, because we believe that the law of the land still continues to exist. What, as ma'am was saying, that we acknowledge his leave. Okay, there's no denying about that. But to say that we were surprised, I don't think so. We were surprised at all, because right from the MDC elections, we had noticed that his efforts towards our candidate Banphira Basayomite was not there. In fact, there was a lot of mudslinging that was happening even in that constituency, which made us believe that things were not moving in the right directions. So the whole point is, if you ask us, it is a very troubling trend in which many of politicians in this state continue to pursue self-interest more than the political agenda, which is important. I'll just give you a case in point examples. We had 2 nuns that were arrested in Chandigarh, and then just this morning, I think a pastor was arrested in Pune. Who's going to speak for them? You tell me. Politics is just not about money. Politics is just not about power. Politics also should be about representing the people who are not represented well. Now, believe it or not, at least I can tell you for sure that at a national level, the Congress is gaining ground. We had 25 MLAs, and we went to 44, and then now we're sitting at 99 plus 1, which is 100. So MPs. So we'll continue to gain ground. Even at a state level, yes, we've lost just about everybody, but does not mean that we still will not exist, because we are existing here because of a simple fact that we want to represent the people. And we want to assure many of the people, especially from Millennium Bloc, the supporters, the voters, and so on and so forth, that whatever has happened is a loss, there's no denying about that, right? But then it is also an opportunity for us to purge the party, to ensure that at least we come clean, to ensure that we restart from the beginning. The politics that is being played, I keep on telling people, if you're in India, it's a federal state, right? So if the father is rich, it is mandatory for the father to spread the wealth amongst the children, which means every state also gets its fair share of revenue. There was a finance minister who had just come a while back and had proclaimed that there was a 540% growth in revenue that is being coming to the state, and so on and so forth. But hello, India is also the 4th largest economy in the world. We're sitting at about a 4 trillion economy. So obviously, whatever economy that has grown, it has grown because of the fundamentals of the economic activity that has taken place some 10-15 years back, which is during Manmohan Singh. So the thing is, the state is getting the benefits now, but many of the people don't see that. Our politicians don't see that. They feel as if these people have come now and developed and bring in money, and they want to be a part of that, of the money chain that is happening. But at the end of the day, are we doing anything for the poor? Is our poverty elevation becoming better than ever before? No. In fact, more and more people are slipping into poverty. So where's the economic development that we see? But our politicians, most of them don't see that. They see only what is benefiting them. They see that, okay, in my constituency, somebody is bringing a football field, somebody is bringing this, somebody is bringing that. Good enough, I have to join there and be a part of it. But they don't want to see that how are we going to improve the healthcare system, how are we going to improve the education system, how are we going to alleviate the poverty that is existing. Nobody is giving anything about it. And that's the kind of politics that I believe, at least, we should try to look for and try to search for as public at large, especially for the constituency of Million, who has bestowed their faith and given everything to ensure that Ronnie wins in the last elections on the purview that he was a Congress leader. Now they've lost faith. The Congress workers in Million Block should not lose faith, because we continue and we will continue to build. And I'll say this, this is like a rallying cry for us. The resilience and integrity of the Meghalaya Congress will continue to exist. It will never be breakable. We will continue to work. And believe it or not, we will restructure. Together, we will rebuild, we will restore, and we will have genuine leadership here. And that's most important. We need genuine leadership to come out. And I think Meghalaya deserves that also. Because right now, I think the voice of the party that cares most about everything, that cares most about just about every type of people that exists in this country, in this state, we don't have any more representation apart from our Honorable MP. But we need to come back, as ma'am was saying, that in Garo Hills we are gaining ground, we will become stronger, and believe it or not, at a grassroots level we will continue to become stronger. And as a party, I don't believe that we have lost anything. In fact, it is an opportunity again and again for us to gain ground, to seek at least true leaders, and we want to bring that. Thank you so much.
Hey, up, RUCO. Schwaba finchet da kajo si kajo ko umpiang balapin don kam. Up schwa, na markane kakta ya kakot kakya jong fi pat kamaryang rukum jo. Da ka bashet da kane ko umpiang kan tau bonjat ki jingpang. Henry, pim day pat bante siya nala ne bantang pendono. Henry, minta ka RUCO ne ka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala banpen kala ya kane ko umpiang siya ka biodiesel. Tinamar kata limba ka RUCO kakot kakya pat kamaryang rukan umktasyo.